Okay guys, we got this thing slap full of grass and brown paper bags. So we're gonna fill these bad boys all the way up to the top. Well, about where the brim is. And we're gonna see what they do in about, I don't know, say about 3 months, I guess. I don't know how long this stuff takes, but I see a lot of YouTubers do it, so I figured I'd give it a try. Since I spend so much money on soil, this might cut back, maybe it might make my garden grow a little bit better. So that's what I'm hoping for: more nutrients, more better quality soil. Heck, I might start selling my own soil. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna fill these bad boys all the way up to the top. I'm gonna fill these up. It's gonna take a little while, and I'll get back with you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you want to check these bad boys out in about 2-3 months. See what we get going on underneath here. Yeah, so if you don't mind, man, hit that bell, hit that like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know if I'm doing something wrong. If I'm doing something wrong, please let me know so I can fix it, because I need a lot of soil. Appreciate y'all.